I've discovered a powerful guide that can change the way you run your business, especially if you're tired of doing everything yourself. It's called Online Business Systems, and it's more than just an ebook. It's a step-by-step strategy for getting organized, automating your tasks, and finally scaling up, without the stress. If you've ever felt like your business depends entirely on you, or like you're always behind, this guide is going to help. Inside, you'll learn how to identify all your recurring tasks, organize them into efficient workflows, and use tools that handle things like communication, scheduling, and even marketing, automatically. You'll also discover how to document your processes, create SOPs, and train others to take work off your plate, so you're not stuck doing the same things day in and day out. There's a full section on outsourcing too, showing you how to hire the right freelancers, write effective job descriptions, and avoid common mistakes when building your support team. And if you're ready to grow, there's even a chapter on scaling, how to build repeatable systems, track performance, and evolve as your business grows. This guide doesn't require fancy software or a tech background. Everything is explained in simple terms, with clear examples and links to the tools you can use. If you're a solo entrepreneur, content creator, or small business owner who wants to get organized, work smarter, and build a system that works, this is for you. Download the guide below and let your systems do the heavy lifting, so you can finally focus on what matters most.